Speech for 15th August Independence Day. Good morning everyone, elders on the stage, respected headmaster, teachers and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day to all. Today is 15th August, the day we got freedom from British rule in 1947. It is a very special day for every Indian. We celebrate this day to remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. They all fought bravely and gave us this free India. We must be thankful to them. Because of them, we are now free to study, play, speak, live in a free country. Let us also remember our brave soldiers who protect us day and night. Let salute them with respect. Let us promise to be good citizens, helpful to others, clean and tidy, respectful to elders and teachers. Once again, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Let's all say together Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.